Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how to disable call notification on your iPhone. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Be sure, friends, put your likes and do not forget to write, please, your comments after watching this video. So, let's get on with our topic, friends. And so that you can turn off call notifications, you'll need to go into the settings. Now scroll to the very bottom. Click on the app, and then you're gonna have to, folks, scroll down and find the phone app. Open it up and see what you're going to be interested in here. Here is this section, and more specifically the second section, that is incoming calls. Click on them, please. And here, you'll need to turn off just call notifications if you're not enabled. So, you can, for example, choose when you have these call alerts. Like when you're in the car, for example, or when you're like wearing headphones or never. What these alerts do, that is, look, you will not be, for example, voice alerts, that is, allowed your iPhone will not say who is calling you. But, of course, just on the screen you will have an inscription, and there will be certain signals who is calling you, but there will be no sound. This is how, friends, you can quickly and easily disable call alerts on your iPhone. Please do not forget to put your likes, write comments, also be sure to subscribe to this channel. Take care, friends.